Hi all, is your internet painfully slow? Videos buffering, downloads taking forever, and upload speeds failing? Don't worry, today I will show you simple tricks to fix your download and upload speed instantly. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to boost your internet speed. So let's fix your slow internet right now. Okay, first we are going to open a browser and type speed test and checking the internet speed. As you can see on my screen, the internet speed is not perfect. Both upload and download speed less than 20 Mbps. To fix this issue, go to the device manager, select network adapters, select right click and update the drivers. Go to the search, check for updates. Again select browse. Let me pick and select anyone if you want. I am installing these drivers. As you can see, my screen shows in a black position and my Wi-Fi has been restarted. Now I am connected to the internet and again I am selecting speed test. Right now I get around 77 or 76 Mbps of download speeds. I have 80 Mbps plan, and if you see, my upload speed also increases. If this video helped you fix your internet speed, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.